Hi, my name's Alex Waterton, a Microsoft Certified Trainer with F-Keys. Here today providing you with some how-tos, shortcuts and tips with Microsoft Excel 2013. So let's get started. There are times in a spreadsheet when you would like to colour rows or columns. Now if you use the borders or the shading options and do this, then what will happen is when you insert rows or columns, the colours will go out of synchronization as to what you want. Let me demonstrate. So here I'm selecting row 2, row 4, row 6, row 8 and row 10, and I'm going to colour these with a fill colour of yellow. Now this is okay, and you can insert your data. And Sam. However, should you want to insert rows in between those, then what will happen is the colouring will go out of synchronization. So here, if I right mouse click and insert a row, you'll notice that now we have two blank rows and the colour one has moved down. So when we put down a name, then obviously the synchronization has gone out of the way. How can we overcome this? Simply by using conditional formatting. When we use conditional formatting, this problem is no longer with us. So I'm going to go to alternate rows here, and what I'm going to do is go up to the top left hand corner to select the entire worksheet, and then I'm going to apply conditional format. So on the home ribbon under the styles group you will find conditional formatting. I'm going to click conditional formatting, choose a new rule, and from the bottom one of the list I'm going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And by using that and typing in the formula equals MOD open bracket row, because it is the rows that I want to colour, I am then going to put the number 2, which will tell me every second row. If we substitute this for third or fourth or 5, that will then colour that particular row. So close bracket equals 0. So there is our formula. We now need to just specify what the format we want the second row to be, or every second row to be. So choosing format, choosing one of the colours, I'm going to go for blue and say OK and OK. You now will see that the second row, every second row is now coloured. But if I was to put in the names, and now whenever I want to insert a row, it will automatically do that straight away. So right mouse click, insert a row and put in Paul, and there you go. As you can see, the every second colour row of the format has been retained. So here I'll just demonstrate by going to the third sheet here. This time I'm going to select the sheet and I'm going to do every third row. So again, putting in the formula, as in a formula equals MOD open bracket row open bracket close bracket comma 3 comma bracket equals 0. Format the cell to be yellow fill and say OK and OK, and now you can see that every third row is now coloured. Now in order to do this with columns, here we could do 4th, 5th and 6th, but I'm going to go for the every 4th column. And here when we look at the formula that's actually been applied to this one, manage rules, here is the formula, and as you can see we just substitute the word row for column, and we then specify not necessarily the rows but the columns, and once that's applied then that is okay. Now if we go to every fourth column and row, we simply can do this simply by doing conditional formatting, manage rules, and applying to conditional formatting. We could do it at 1 with a little bit of complication, making it a little bit more interesting, but the easy way here is to first of all do the rows, and then secondly do the columns using independent colours, and say OK. So I hope that's helped you. Colour your spreadsheets accordingly and manage them, and I'll bid you good day. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial, and would like to invite you to visit our website at www.f-keys.co.uk. Also to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Our Twitter handle is @fkeys, FKEYS, and we look forward to meeting you again soon.